In the heart of bustling cashew plantations, a story unfolds. A story of integrity, quality, and growth. Welcome to the world of Sri Krishna Kripa cashews, where each cashew carries with it a promise of excellence. In the heart of tropical lands, where the rhythm of life beats in harmony with nature's song, lies a story waiting to be told, the story of cashew. It begins with a humble seed, hidden within the depths of a vibrant cashew fruit, waiting patiently for its time to sprout and grow. From the fertile earth emerges a young cashew tree, stretching its branches towards the sky with determination, a symbol of resilience and vitality. As the tree matures, it bears fruit, the enigmatic cashew apple, with its vibrant hues and tantalizing flavors, a testament to nature's bounty. Hidden within the cashew apple lies the true treasure, the cashew nut, protected by a hard shell and encased in a caustic resin, a marvel of nature's ingenuity. Through meticulous processing, the raw cashew nuts are transformed into the creamy, ivory-colored kernels that we know and love, bursting with flavor and nutritional goodness. From savory to sweet, cashew nuts add a touch of magic to every dish, delighting the senses and nourishing the body. But the journey of cashew extends far beyond the plate, enriching industries and communities alike, and fostering a sustainable future for generations to come. As we savor the rich flavors and reap the health benefits of cashews, let us also embrace the responsibility to protect and preserve this precious gift from the earth. At the dawn of our journey, raw cashews bask beneath the sun's gentle caress for 2 to 3 days, shading their moisture in preparation for the transformative voyage ahead. The initial step in the dust removal process involves thorough inspection and sorting of raw cashews. This process helps identify any foreign materials, dust, or debris present in the batch. Cleansed by the purifying waters of our cutting-edge machines, they venture forth to face the crucible of roasting, where high-pressure steam envelopes them in a golden embrace. Emerging from the fiery crucible, the roasted cashews traverse through a labyrinth of sizing machines, where they are meticulously cut to size, ensuring minimal breakage and maximal perfection. Transporting cashew kernels to the cutting machine. With the cashew kernels sorted, sized, and cleaned, it's time for them to make their way to the cutting machine. Our automated conveyor system carefully transports the kernels, maintaining their integrity and preventing damage during transit. This seamless process streamlines production, allowing for efficient and continuous operation of the cutting machine. This marvel of engineering is specifically designed to slice through raw cashews with precision and efficiency. Powered by advanced technology, the machine carefully cuts each nut into uniform pieces, optimizing both yield and quality. Equipped with advanced technology and precision engineering, this marvel of innovation slices through cashew kernels with unparalleled accuracy. Whether it's producing whole pieces, halves, or finely diced fragments, the cutting machine ensures consistent results with every batch. Its adjustable settings allow for customization according to specific requirements, catering to various culinary applications. The next crucial step is to separate them from their protective shells. This is where our state-of-the-art separation machine comes into play. Employing a combination of advanced technology and precision engineering, this machine delicately separates the cashew kernels from their shells with remarkable efficiency and accuracy. In a delicate pas-de-deux between man and machine, kernels are separated with the tender touch of human hands, preserving their integrity with every caress. While cutting machines are efficient in separating cashew kernels from shells, manual inspection provides a human touch that machines cannot replicate. It allows skilled inspectors to detect subtle defects, irregularities, and foreign materials that may have been missed during automated processing. As the journey progresses, cashew kernels find themselves ensconced within the heated chambers, where temperatures soar to 80 to 90 degrees centigrade, bidding adieu to moisture and impurities, leaving behind only pure, pristine kernels. The peeling process unveils the hidden treasure within, as automatic machines delicately strip away the husk, revealing the glistening bounty beneath. With the finesse of a smile knife or the precision of modern technology, coats are removed with utmost care, ensuring minimal damage to the precious kernels. Cashew kernels come in a variety of shades, and even slight discolorations can affect their overall quality and appeal. Color sorting machines play a crucial role in identifying and eliminating defective kernels, ensuring that only premium quality cashews. Our color sorting machines utilize cutting-edge technology to achieve unparalleled precision and accuracy. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, these machines meticulously scan each individual cashew kernel, analyzing its color profile with exceptional speed and efficiency. Sophisticated algorithms then determine whether a kernel meets the desired color criteria, allowing for rapid sorting with minimal human intervention. Cashew kernels come in various sizes, and discrepancies in size can affect product quality and customer satisfaction. Size sorter machines play a pivotal role in standardizing kernel size, ensuring that each batch meets the desired specifications. By meticulously sorting kernels based on size, these machines enhance product uniformity and market appeal. At the heart of nano sorting machines are advanced optical sensors that capture detailed images of each individual cashew kernel as it passes through the sorting process. These sensors are equipped with high-resolution cameras and specialized lighting systems, allowing for precise analysis of color, shape, size, and texture. Machine learning algorithms then analyze the captured data, identifying and classifying defects with remarkable accuracy. Advanced sorters, with their discerning eyes, sift through the kernels, assigning them to over 25 grades based on size, color, and appearance. High-resolution cameras capture detailed images of each kernel as it moves along the sorting conveyor, allowing the machine's intelligent algorithms to identify and classify defects in real time. Based on predefined sorting criteria, the machine swiftly separates defective kernels from the mainstream, ensuring that only pristine kernels proceed to further processing. Yet, it is the human touch that adds the final flourish, as our manual team bestows their expertise to ensure perfection and quality. Manual grading is a time-honored practice that requires skilled personnel to carefully inspect and sort cashew kernels by hand. This hands-on approach allows for a detailed assessment of each kernel, taking into account factors such as size, shape, color, and texture. Manual graders rely on their expertise and keen eye for detail to identify and categorize kernels based on predefined quality standards. Successful manual grading requires a combination of skill, experience, and attention to detail. Trained graders undergo rigorous training to develop their ability to discern subtle differences in cashew kernels and accurately assess their quality. With years of experience, these graders become adept at identifying defects, inconsistencies, and irregularities that may not be detectable by machines alone. Preserving the integrity of cashew kernels during packing is paramount. Specialized equipment, such as weighing scales and filling machines, ensure accurate portioning and consistent packaging. In a ballet of advanced machinery, where ambient air yields to CO2 and nitrogen gases, each kernel finds sanctuary within a package designed to preserve its essence. Proper packaging and handling practices are essential for protecting cashew kernels from physical damage and contamination during storage. Maintaining optimal temperature and humidity levels is crucial for preserving the quality of cashew kernels during storage. Temperature-controlled warehouse ensure that cashews are stored at the appropriate temperature to prevent spoilage and maintain freshness. Humidity control measures, such as dehumidifiers and moisture barriers, prevent moisture ingress and reduce the risk of mold growth, ensuring product safety and integrity. World of Cashew Trade. Two leaders stand tall at Sri Krishna Kripa Cashews. First, there's Mr. Sampath Shetty. From humble beginnings, he's driven SKK Cashews to global success with his unwavering commitment to excellence and innovative leadership. Then, we have Mr. Jaiprakash Shetty, whose rich background in commerce and hospitality brings invaluable experience to our team. With his honesty, discipline, and dedication to quality, he is instrumental in our growth. Together, these two leaders inspire us to strive for greatness and ensure that Sri Krishna Kripa Cashews continues to set new standards of excellence in the industry. Now listen the words of management, what he wants to say.
Myself, Sampath Shetty. He is Mr. Jaiprakash Shetty. We started Krishna Kripa Cashews Private Limited, Japti, in the year of 2021 February. Our vision is we need to produce very good quality cashew kernels to the domestic market as well as export market. Right now we are daily we are doing in Krishna Kripa Cashews we are doing 30 tons of raw material processing. And also our biggest vision is we need to create the employment for our local area, and also we are continuously developing with the using the latest technology, and continuously we are doing automation work. That's why we are in the short gap of with the span of 1 year, 1.5 year, we are doing the very huge production in this area.
The Cashew Chronicles, a tale of integrity, quality, and growth. Established in 2021 as a private limited firm and a subsidiary of SKP Cashews, Shri Krishna Kripa Cashews emerged as a dynamic player in the cashew industry. Nestled amidst the verdant landscape of Ulluru, Japti village in Kundapur Taluk, and Udupi district, Karnataka state, India. The company upholds a strong commitment to embody integrity and quality. The SKK Cashews office and factory represents a modern and well-equipped facility, serving as the nerve center of the company's operations. Within its walls, dedicated teams oversee various functions, including administration, sales, finance, and customer support. This centralized location ensures seamless coordination and efficient management of all aspects of the business. Our cab services ensure they can arrive punctually for their shifts and return home safely at the end of the day. By eliminating transportation barriers, cab facilities promote inclusivity and ensure equal opportunities for all employees. In the heart of Shri Krishna Kripa Cashews, integrity and ethics form the bedrock of our enterprise, not mere words but guiding principles. Our devotion extends from the inception of sourcing raw cashews to the meticulous crafting and delivery of the final product. Quality is our cornerstone. We meticulously select the finest raw cashews, subjecting them to rigorous processing and quality control measures. Each cashew that graces your table embodies the pinnacle of taste, freshness, and nutritional excellence. As a youthful and dynamic entity, innovation pulses through our veins. With a clear-eyed vision for growth and an unyielding dedication to integrity and quality, we aspire to carve a leading niche in the cashew realm. Yet, our odyssey extends beyond mere ambition. With sustainability, quality, and ethical practices as our compass, Shri Krishna Kripa Cashews seeks to impact not just the cashew domain, but also the communities we touch. Our diverse and dedicated team consists of professionals in various key areas, each playing a crucial role in our company's operations and success. Our vision unfurls to ascend as a premier global purveyor of sustainably sourced cashew kernels, all the while upholding ethical and environmentally sound practices. Our mission propels us to furnish our patrons with the epitome of cashew quality, sourced directly from farmers who echo our commitment to sustainability and ethics. We strive to foster enduring bonds with our partners and clientele, continually refining our processes to minimize our ecological footprint and uplift communities. Thank you for embarking on this odyssey with us. Together, let us reshape the world of cashews.